Hey guys! First off, I want to apologize for the hiatus. Since the last video, I've moved, bought a laser cutter, I've been making SVGs for my Etsy store, and of course, like everybody else, in quarantine with kids. Throughout this video, you're going to see a few photos of crafts that I've done over the years, and maybe a couple pets here and there. Now that the kids are back in school, I can start doing videos again, but I have a couple of different ideas of videos to make, but I guess I just don't know what I should put up first. I know I have viewers that are using Cricut. I know I have viewers that are using silhouettes. Maybe I should start with either or. I'd like to get your opinion on that, so post that in the comments if you're a silhouette person or a Cricut person. Or, like I said, I just got a laser cutter. Maybe I can start doing some videos on that as well. I'm in Texas, so homecoming is a pretty big deal. And I can do a tutorial on how to make homecoming mums, or just a simple like top 5 tutorial on the top 5 easiest things you can do on your Cricut, or top 5 tips on a silhouette. The Silhouette software, Silhouette Studio, has a lot of buttons, and when I started with it, it was really hard for me to transfer from a Cricut, from Design Space to Silhouette Studio, because Silhouette Studio does so much, especially once you get into trying to make rhinestone things. It can be a pain sometimes. Or how to make SVGs. I know I already have a video on how to make SVGs with Inkscape. But I also know that a lot of Cricut users use either their iPhone or their iPad to do their SVGs. But then again, like I said, I don't know what part of my viewers have Cricuts or silhouettes, so I'd really appreciate it if you leave a comment below, or even if you don't even have a Cricut or silhouette yet and you're trying to decide. Maybe I should start with that. Try to do the comparison between Cricut or silhouette. And I also have a SS Cutter, which is basically a giant Cricut or silhouette that does like giant decals for like cars, like the back windshield of a car, kind of like that. I'm gonna try to order them from the latest with the laser cutter to some card making. I truly love crafting. It is not only about Cricut or silhouette. You know, I like all kinds of crafts. I think the very first video that I did looks really crappy, and I somehow invented this new technique on how to do tumblers, the glitter tumblers, and how to do different images using Silly Winks from Hobby Lobby. And that was just pure, I guess, happenstance, I guess that's the word. Just because I've done different crafts over the years, a lot of paper crafting, not really scrapbooking, but just card making, or making giant flowers, just stuff like that, or doing or doing etched cups and etched glass. I know that the Spotify glass is trending right now. I do have that file in my Etsy store. And honestly, I haven't done one yet. And I've seen a few other videos on how they do them. But instead of the vinyl, I think I really prefer the etching. And I think I've been trying to figure out how to put color into an etched glass instead of just having that that grainy look that kind of looks opaque. I feel like that's how you say that word. If you've seen any other of my other videos, like the Cheshire Cat, English is my second language, so there's sometimes where my accent just messes up my words sometimes. But that's beside the point. So, as soon as I find out how to color the etching of a glass, I will post that video. I haven't yet, but I have been testing different things, and I think I'm pretty close, guys. I'm super excited about it. It's going to be amazing when I figure it out. I just don't understand why somebody hasn't come out with colored etching glue goop, or kind of looks like the 90s Elmer's glue that is not the liquid but that comes in the bottle with the little stick. That's kind of how it is. But I can't believe nobody's made a colored one where the image on the glass comes out in color. Even just black. Black would be great. But anyways, I'll post some. You'll see these pictures throughout this whole video. If you have any questions about any of these projects, please let me know in the comments below. If you'd like to see a full description of how a certain card or project or flower was made, just put it down in the comments. You can also go to Facebook and join the group. It's under 1126. It will have the same icon as my YouTube video. And you can also message me there. So yeah, let me know what you want to see. I'd really appreciate it. Otherwise, I'm just gonna throw out videos and see what sticks. But if I don't know what you guys want, then I don't know what to prioritize first. So I'd really appreciate it if you leave me some comments and let me know what comes out first. And of course, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And also check out my Etsy store. Have a lot of really niche stuff. Like Bad Bunny. I know that was a thing for a little while. And the Spotify glass. And somehow K-pop is really huge right now. My kids have been into K-pop for 3 years. So BTS has been a thing in my house, which now it's moved on to NCT. So yeah, I also have some of that stuff on there. So if you're a K-pop fan, please check out my store. And And also, of course, everywhere else, Instagram and Facebook. And of course, like I said, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Please leave me some comments so I can get some videos out as soon as possible. I need some more routine in my life, and I can decide what to put out there first. Thanks.